checking you're on the right side of the road.
Where that car's going.
And then I think you want
Exit
the left
the
lane.
roundabout onto Boulevard de Friedberg,
If
then
there's
turn
two.
left onto Avenue Auguste Rodin.
Yeah, left.
Hang on, I think this is one. I spotted this one through the trees, but I couldn't tell if it was BnB.
Don't do that. What the hell's wrong?
I did see the side of the hotel when we were doing it, but I couldn't. All I saw was B, so I didn't know if it was BnB Hotel.
We're here at the BnB Hotel, Noisy Le Grand.
Do you know what BnB sounds like?
What?
B&Q.
Reception.
Oh, it's an R.
So because we're a little bit late, we've got to sign ourselves in because reception's closed.
Sad times, guys.
You want my socks?
Yeah, cute.
Do you like my socks? Look, guess what ours are?
What are they?
They're from Inside Out 2, guys. 2.
Two. Inside Out 2.
Guess what they are and put them down in the comments.
Yeah.
From now on.
Mate, what?
I think I put it in too quick before.
Oh, right.
That's what she said.
That's funny.
Finally.
The room code has been sent to your email. Please remember to push the button to access the code.
It's gonna get a 4 ring, guys.
Guy ain't got a phone.
What has got a 4 ring, guys?
Has got 4 right at the end.
Oh my god.
Apparently not.
Breakfast room.
No breakfast room. Reception, but it's now closed. It's like 10 o'clock. But it's cool, it's all got security
We got
on the front
Paris in
door.
a museum, guys. The tutor bus is a double decker bus.
Are they?
We can't get out.
What is our room number?
Room 101. Yeah.
101. Wicked.
Wait.
So we're on the first floor.
Hang on. What's 1 plus 1, 10?
You got a defib, microwave. So she's a little reception area. Another check-in in a desk, I guess.
If I could anything like that, I don't think it is.
There's a hot drink machine.
Guys,
Vending
I know
machine.
what we need to do. We need to buy
The toilet.
French snacks and try them all.
Room 101. Yeah, straight from the top of the stairs. Room 101.
Oh my god. Oh my god, there's bunk beds. I call the top bunk. I love my bunk.
It's quite cute, isn't it?
Hiya, come on in, my love. Hello.
Wow.
This is our room, guys. How do you like it?
Quaint,
It
isn't
comes
it?
with a Lily who's down there. It comes with a Lacey. And turn around. Spin, spin, spin. There's an AC and there's a light behind Mum.
Yes, you got air conditioning.
I don't know why there's barely any lights in here, guys.
There, it is quite dark, isn't it?
But look, I got my own pen light.
Turn it on. Does it work? Don't work.
No, but I've got a plug. So
Cool.
I can watch my phone up here.
It's very dark in here, isn't it?
Yeah. Telly on the wall.
Scary.
So you got some hanging
Well, there
storage.
should be a light switch there to switch the light
So you
switch.
put your suitcases,
Oh my god!
towels, hair dryer,
Da, da, da.
Mirror.
There's a TV, guys.
TV,
There's also
Oh.
free Wi-Fi.
free Wi-Fi,
Bingo.
2 little pillows on a massive bed. And then you got your
Your
bathroom with a shower. Toilet. And a little desk. And that's your room.
Chicken, banana.
And this is the BnB Hotel in Noisy Le Grand, was it, Mum?
Guys, guess what? Guys, when we're in this hotel, obviously, I like to also sleep on the jump bunk because, well, so first of all, it's not rocking side to side like a cruise ship. Second,
Cool.
zigzag. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs